Alright guys, the time has come. 52,000s by bboy Malish. Right here, now.
No clickbait.
I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
What the hell is going on with this kid, man? Like, I don't know if I'm motivated or demotivated. 50 rounds of 2000s.
50.
You know, this is nothing less than historical. That's right. And with this very historic moment, I would like to give a big shout out to all the 2000 OGs that have been pushing the records before this little dude showed up. And just to name a few, we got bboy The End, Chancho, Muha, Punisher and his brother Demon, bboy Mascot, of course bboy Kaku, which by the way does an invert 2000. Of course Chico, and the record holder before Malish showed up, Master Young. Well, you know, all these guys are really legendary, but Malish showed up and he was like,
"Good job guys, I'll take it from here."
And then basically just doubled everyone's record. And I even would bet you guys that Malish is gonna hit 60 rounds in like a week or 3. Because look at that ending, man. He's not drilling all the way yet as he's doing in this headspin. The moment he's gonna start drilling like that in that 2000, bro, he might just hit 70, 75. Well, I don't know how much he's gonna get, but what would be the absolute maximum? Really good question. And I guess Malish is gonna figure that out for us. I mean, look at the kid's speed, man. If I would just add a sound effect to that, it's gonna make him look like he's taking off. And then this other thing that I really don't get, probably has to do with them Russians, is that one of Malish's fellow training partners just casually walks in, while little Malish right there just casually did something that no one in our species over millions of years ever done before. You know, thinking about that, you know, there are a lot of people that be like,
Yeah, but he's just spinning around. It's not really dancing.
and I kind of get that in a way, but just realize that this kid, which is like, what, 8 years old, 9 years old, 10? I don't know how old he is. Still really young, right? He just did something that never, ever anyone did before. Even the best powerheads that were on this earth just got smacked up by this kid, man. So yeah, a big shout out and congratulations to little Malish on working really hard during the lockdown season. You know, while all of us were just chilling and relaxing at home, little Malish was like,
"Hey, let me break the world record really quick."
and I really want to thank Formless for supporting this kid and motivating him and pushing him to get to that next level. You know, giving and providing so the b-boy scene can grow. Also, I just want to give a shout out to like the coach or coaches that have been investing a lot of time in Malish, because you know, children don't just go to school and just learn
52,000s.
No, of course not. There are people like coaches that invest a lot of time in these kids, making sure that they push the boundaries of what's physically possible. And obviously, Malish's parents are also really supporting the kid, so this all deserves really big shout outs and a lot of respect. So let's just watch this historical 50 round 2000 one more time. And let me just add the takeoff sound effect for extra fun. There you have it, history on the making, right here live.
Well, not live, but
Here on Coach Sambo's YouTube channel. Shout out to Malish, shout out to Formless, shout out to the parents, the coaches, and
everybody on this goddamn planet.
shout out to you for just watching YouTube. This is your man Coach Sambo right here, your online b-boy coach, giving you nothing but the best tutorials, b-boy videos, and b-boy comedy, especially for you, the b-boy community. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe and maybe enjoy some of my videos that you can find on my YouTube channel right here. Because at the end of the day, when you think about it, it's just all about that b-boy shit.